surgical technologist with Stellar Career College in Chicago. Are you passionate about healthcare and eager to join a thriving medical field? Look no further than Stellar Career College in Chicago. We offer a comprehensive surgical technologist program that prepares you for a rewarding career in surgical assistance. Our program provides hands-on training, expert instruction, and cutting-edge technology to equip you with the skills needed to excel in the operating room. You'll learn the ins and outs of surgical procedures, sterilization techniques, patient care, and much more. With our extensive curriculum and dedicated faculty, you'll gain the knowledge and confidence to succeed as a surgical technologist. At Stellar Career College, we prioritize your success. By choosing our surgical technologist program, you open doors to a range of career opportunities. Surgical technologists are in high demand, and the field is projected to grow rapidly in the coming years. With your training from Stellar Career College, you'll be well positioned to secure a fulfilling job in hospitals, outpatient surgical centers, emergency departments, and other healthcare settings. Ready to embark on an exciting career as a surgical technologist? Contact Stellar Career College today to learn more about our program and take the first step toward a bright future in healthcare. Have you considered a career as a surgical technologist? What interests you the most about this field? Do you have any questions about our surgical technologist program at Stellar Career College? We'd love to hear from you.